Hey everyone, welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're talking about how to make artificial intelligence, AI, more eco-friendly. Sounds cool, right? But here's the thing. AI uses a lot of energy. Training big AI models takes a lot of computational power, which means massive servers running for days or even weeks. These servers use huge amounts of electricity, tons of cooling systems, which use water and more energy. Imagine hundreds of laptops running non-stop. That's just one model being trained. So, what can we do? The good news is, we can take steps to reduce this impact across the AI lifecycle, from design to deployment. Let's break it down. 1. Use more efficient models. Not all AI needs to be giant. We can use smaller, smarter models that give good results but use less power. Example? Like using a bike instead of a car when you don't need to drive. 2. Cloud computing and green data centers. Many companies are now using green data centers powered by solar or wind energy. Cloud services like Google and Microsoft are trying to go carbon neutral. That's a big win. 3. Reuse and recycle AI models. Instead of training a new model from scratch every time, reuse pre-trained models and fine-tune them. It's like reheating leftovers instead of cooking a whole new meal. Saves time, money, and energy. 4. Efficient AI deployment. AI doesn't have to run 24/7. Smart scheduling, like running heavy tasks at night or only when needed, reduces the load and saves energy. 5. Monitor and improve. Track how much energy your AI system uses and look for ways to optimize it. Even small changes, like changing hardware or software settings, can make a big difference. Why it matters. The smarter we get with AI, the more we must also care for our planet. At CT Academy, we help you not only learn how AI works, but also how to use it responsibly. Learn more. Check out more at ctglobal.my and start building a smarter, greener future with us. See you in the next session.